Dear children, last day or yesterday I was taught you history lesson first फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन। आपको फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में बताया था। ये फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन लुई 16वें के शासनकाल में हुई थी और ये रेवोल्यूशन लिबर्टी, फ्रेटर्निटी एंड इक्वलिटी पर आधारित थी। उसी के तहत आज आपको इसी में फिर से पेज नंबर 16 पर देखें। फ्रांस बिकम अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्ची। कैसे ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल यहाँ पर अपनाया गया देखिए। द नेशनल असेंबली completed the draft of the Constitution in 1791. Its main objective was limited the power of the monarchs. यहाँ राजा के अधिकारों को सीमित कर दिया गया था संविधान के द्वारा। Now the powers were taken from him and assigned to different democratic institutions like the legislature, executive and judiciary. This change in power made France in constitutional monarchy. The Declaration rights of the man and citizen, free and from birth. कैसे आज़ादी दी गई? ये कहा गया है व्यक्ति जब जन्म लेता है तभी से वो स्वतंत्र होता है। फ्री फ्रॉम बर्थ, men are born, remain free and equal in rights. Preservation, the aim of every political association is the preservation of the natural and inalienable rights of man. These are liberty, poverty, security and resistance to oppression. Sovereignty of people, the source of all sovereignty, resides in the nation. No group or individual may exercise authority that does not come from the people. Liberty. Liberty consists of the power to do whatever is not injurious to others. Limited power of law. The law has the right to forbid only actions that are injurious to society. General will. Law is the expression of the general will. All citizens have the right to participate in its formation. Personality or thought, their representative. All the citizens are equal before it. Law supreme. No man may be accused, arrested or denied except in case determined by the law. Free expression. Every citizen may speak, write and print freely. He must take responsibility for the abuse of such liberty in case determined by the law. Equality in taxation. For the maintenance of the public force and for the expenses of administration, a common tax is indispensable. It must be assessed equally on all citizens in proportion to their means. Property is sacred and inviolable right. Since property is a sacred and inviolable right, no one may be deprived of it unless a legally established public necessity requires it. In that case, a just compensation must be given in advance. The law made by National Assembly. Law made by National Assembly. Under the new constitution, the law were to be made by National Assembly. The assembly was indirectly elected, that is, active citizens voted for a group of electors who in turn choose the assembly members. The highlights of the changed system: active citizen, men who were above 25 years of the age and who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of a laborer's wage were given the status of active citizen. That is, they had right to vote. The remaining men and all the women were classed as passive citizens. In order to be an elector, to qualify as an elector and then as a member of the assembly, a man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayers. Declaration: the Constitution began with a declaration of the right of the man and citizen. Natural rights: according to this declaration, the right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, and equality before law were established as natural rights, freedom, and rights. It was the duty of the state to protect each. Now, France freed from monarchy and became a republic. Declaration of war. Louis XVI entered into the secret negotiations with the King of Persia, now Germany. France's neighboring countries got too much frightened of the development in the France since 1789. They were ready to send troops to put down the events. However, the National Assembly voted in favor of war against Persia and Austria in 1792. Volunteers from all over France came forward to join the army. They saw the war as one of people against kings and aristocracies all over Europe. As the volunteers marched into Paris, they sang Versailles, a patriotic song composed by Raget de la Ilse. The song is now the national anthem of France. Difficulties: political clubs and Jacobin club now second day or next day. Thank you.